Hi, this is Korean Pen. Today we're going to talk about White Day. What is White Day? In Korean, White Day is White Day. White Day is a day that is marked in Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, and China on March 14, 1 month after Valentine's Day. White Day was first celebrated in 1978 in Japan. It was started by the National Confectionery Industry Association as an answer day to Valentine's Day on the grounds that men should pay back the women who gave them chocolate and other gifts on Valentine's Day. In Japan, Valentine's Day is observed by females who present chocolate gifts, either store-bought or handmade, usually to a male as an expression of love, courtesy, or social obligation. A handmade chocolate is usually preferred by the receiver because it is a sign that the receiving male is the girl's only love. On White Day, the converse happens. Males who received a homemade chocolate of love, or a girl choco, courtesy of chocolate, on Valentine's Day are expected to return the favor of giving gifts. Traditionally, popular White Day gifts are cookies, jewelry, white chocolate, white lingerie, and marshmallows. Sometimes the term sanbai geshi, triple the return, is used to describe the generally recited rule that the return gift should be 2 to 3 times the cost of the Valentine's gift. In Korea, White Day is also observed in South Korea, with the men paying back women who have given them chocolate on Valentine's Day with usually candy instead of chocolate, with an additional later Black Day observed for those sharing singleness.
Happy White Day!
And that's the end of our lesson for today. 여러분, 안녕! See you next time!